If you work in a cell culture lab, then you'll probably know all about cultivating and replicating cells, how you must look after each cell type according to its individual needs, and how you go about handling all the cells in the lab, measuring their confluency and counting them. So here's some great news from ZEISS about how you can improve the quality of your everyday cell cultures and make your experiments more reproducible. Simply opt for the ZEISS AxioVert 5 Digital, our inverted microscope based on artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. Take a culture vessel with adherent cells out of the incubator and observe its condition with an inverted phase contrast microscope. Check the medium daily and watch out for any signs of contamination. If no morphological peculiarities or contaminations are present, the cells can be cultivated further. Now determine its density using the AxioVert 5 Digital Cell Imaging Microscope equipped with the LabScope AI Cell Confluency module. First, select AI Cell Confluency in LabScope. Then, focus your sample and simply acquire a phase contrast image of your cells. The artificial intelligence algorithm automatically detects and measures the cell confluency for you. You can take images at multiple positions in your dish to accommodate inhomogeneities. The software then provides the average cell confluency for your cell population at a glance. On day 1, 13% confluency. On day 2, 49%. On day 3, 71%. Typically, you will need to reach a confluency of 70 to 80% to split and passage the cells. Once you reach the appropriate cell density, you can start subculturing the cells into different cell culture vessels. Use trypsin to detach adherent cells from the bottom of the vessel and bring them into suspension with a defined volume. By measuring a small aliquot of the suspension, you can determine the cell concentration in a cell counting chamber. Finally, dilute the cell suspension to the recommended seeding density for the cell line and pipette the correct volume into different cell culture vessels. Then, place the cells back in the incubator. For further information, visit our website.